Okay, children, in mathematics, before and during problem solving, you have to keep three things in mind. The first one is you have to read the question thoroughly and identify what is given and what is required to find. Because of this, you will get the clarity on the question and the solution. Second point is select the appropriate formula and substitute the given values in the problem. And the third point is ensure accuracy and enough speed and solve. And here you observe the question, children. The population of town is 64,000. If the annual birth rate is 10.7% and the annual death rate is 3.2%, calculate the population after 3 years. So here the initial population 64,000 should be taken as P, and annual birth rate is given, that is 10.7%. Due to birth, there will be increase in population. So this rate should be taken as rate of growth. Due to death, there will be decrease in population. So this rate should be taken as rate of depreciation. Now we have to calculate the population after 3 years. Now we have to select the formula, children. Now selecting the formula, children, you may get confused that which formula should be applied to find the population after any years. Whether you should apply P is multiplied by 1 plus R by 100 whole power n, or P into 1 plus R minus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R minus R2 by 100 into 1 plus R minus R3 by 100. So this formula cannot be applied, children, here, because this formula should be applied only if the different rate percent have given for different years. But here annual birth rate and death rate is given for the same year, not for different years. That's why this formula we cannot apply, and we have to apply this formula, that is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. But to apply this formula, must have only one rate percent. Since here birth rate is more than death rate, ultimately there will be growth. That's why we have taken net growth rate equals to birth rate minus death rate percent. So here the birth rate is given as 10.7 minus death rate is given as 3.2. We have taken 10.7 minus 3.2%. Because for same years only one rate percent should be there. So by subtracting we get 7.5%. This can be taken per annum. So for 1 year there will be rate of growth, that is 7.5%. So now we have to find after 3 years what is the population. Now I have taken the formula is multiplied by 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. So now you substitute the given values, children. That P value is given 64,000. This we have taken as initial value is multiplied by 1 plus R, we have to take as 7.5 upon 100, and the time is given 3 years, so we have taken power 3, that equals to 64,000 is multiplied by 1 plus 7.5. If you write as 75, 10 will be suffixed here. You can write as 1000 power 3. That is 64,000 into, so by cancelling by 25 we get 25 3s are 75 and 25 4s are 100 and 10. So by converting into improper fraction we get 43 by 40 power 3. So that implies 64,000 into the cube of 43 and 40, let us find, and it can be written as 43 by 40 multiplied by 43 upon 40 is multiplied by 43 upon 40. Now in denominator we have 3 zeros, and these 3 zeros will get cancelled. That means we are multiplying, we are dividing both by 1000. Now 4 4s are 4 16s are, and 4 into 4 it gives 16. 16. Ultimately we get the product, that is 43 into 43 into 43. And here we have got 79,517 by multiplying 43 3 times. So our answer is 79,507. So this is taken as population after 3 years. So you have to write the conclusion part.